What's the meaning of considering? Considering. Considering.
Considering. Considering. Considering is a verb that means to think about or take into account when making a decision or judgment. It can also mean to regard or treat in a particular way. When someone uses the word considering, they are acknowledging something as a factor in their decision-making process. For example, if someone says, "I am considering buying a new car," it implies that they are taking into account various factors such as cost, features, and reliability before making a final decision. Overall, considering is a term used to indicate that something is being taken into account during decision-making or assessment.